Hi guys, I just wanted to hop on this afternoon and give you some great styling tips for the Marley dress, okay? So there's no way I'm gonna keep this under 5 minutes, FYI. I usually do in 5 minutes, but literally I have a table full of things to show you how to mix and work into this Marley dress. And I'm gonna show you 3 different sizes of Marley because she's basically amazing. You can wear all the sizes, you can do all the things. So this is the Marley. I like to call her the new and improved Julia. It's the same silhouette as the Julia dress. It's straight, it's a little bit relaxed. But what's added here, we've got 2 pockets, hidden pockets on the side. So hidden right here, you just stick your hand right in there. Hi, Pam. And then we have this removable sash belt that you can work into the Marley. So like the most basic thing you can do with it would just be to tie it, give yourself a little bit of a waist. You can do a bow, you can just I like to just let it kind of hang, and it just pulls the dress in and gives you that hourglass look, and you can still get into your pockets. So I want to talk about the sleeves, okay? Just like the Maria dress, it has only one seam all the way down the side. There is no seam like cutting this in half, so it really gives you this nice long lean silhouette. And then we have that nice relaxed sleeve right here in the shoulders. And you're not getting too much armpit action here, okay? Nice high neckline. So very straight dress with a little hip curve, pockets, and then we have the sash, okay? So you can of course wear it, oh, there's my rack. Wear it as is. It does hit me right at the knee. You can do tons of fun things with the sash. So like I just showed you, you can put it around your waist. You can even, depending on how tall you are and what height you want to wear, have the length, you can zhuzh it up a little bit. It helps. Let me tie it like a double knot so it's nice and tight. And then you can pull this out a little bit. Pulls up the length of the dress depending on what you're wearing it to. You could do that. I love to wear it as a headband. You guys know that I love my headbands. So it's really fun to have a hair accessory that is the same print as your dress. Really kind of pulls your outfit together. So you can have a cute little hair sash here. Of course, I had to fix my hair a little bit. It's fun if you have a ponytail or a top knot to tie it around and make a cute little bow. That's also really fun. You can use it as a tie. Lots of ideas. So I'll just put it around my neck and then do one big knot. So it's like a tie necklace. And it gives you this nice, just gives you a little visual interest up by the neck, but again, it still really matches the print of the dress. And then I like to go really retro and do a necktie. It makes me feel like I belong on the set of Mad Men. So you can either just leave it as is or put a cute little bow in it. It's really precious. Of course, I would do a better job and make sure that the tails match, but I think it's so fun, very flight attendant-y, I should be bringing somebody a dirty martini. So I really like the belt. I think it's fun. What I also like to do with the belt is, if you own multiple Marleys, you can mix and match the prints. So I've got a navy stripe on here, but maybe I want a pop of pink floral at the waist, or maybe I want to use the pink in my hair. And you still get that same vibe, but you're just adding a little bit of personality with it. Okay, so I want to talk about adding existing pieces that you have at home into your Marley and how it can kind of enhance the look and change the look, because Marley is such a basic silhouette that you can add skirts to it, you can add tops to it, you can add all of our layering pieces to it. There's a lot of flexibility. And Marley's such a great price point. She's $48. So it's really easy to kind of load up on a few and then mix and match. Okay, so what I've got going on here is an Amy. I will talk sizing. I've got 2 other sizes to show you, but the Marley that I'm wearing right now is a size small. Okay, so this is a small Amy that I'm just tying over the top. I buttoned all of the buttons except for the very top one and the bottom 2 so that I could knot it, but it's so cute. You get this nice high waistline here. I've got the same color scheme going on in the navy, so I've got stars and stripes. Very fun Americana without being too much. It's really just that using that navy right there. So that's the Amy over the Marley. I want to show you a Liv. a perfect, and then some layering pieces as well. This Liv, I was trying on this navy one and I was like, oh my gosh, it's meant to be for this print. The colors are perfect. This is my easy come, easy go Liv. All the pieces that I'm showing you are in stock, by the way. None of these are from my personal closet. These are all available. So easy come, easy go. It's this nice light blue, and then we've got navy and white in the print. So it's really just perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna tie a cute little knot right here. Okay, so now I've used the shirt to give myself a waist, so I can do fun things with the sash, like make it into a headband. Okay, maybe I want to do a cute headband with like a really big bow right here, or maybe I just want to double layer it, put it back this way. Whatever it is that I want to do with it. But I love that the shirt like breaks up the print, but now I've got it on my skirt and I've got it up here in my hair, so you get that like nice symmetry. I love doing that. Okay, so that's the Liv. Of course, you could do any t-shirt, but I love that the necklines here match up. Oh, thanks, Katie. Okay, so that's the Liv. I want to do, let's do the perfect tee next. Oh, my tags are getting tangled over here. Okay, this perfect is also amazing. This is a small perfect. It's also navy, so I'm just sticking with really easy pattern mixing. I'm keeping the colors the same. This one does have a floral. Now, with the perfect tee, the neck is a little bit bigger than the neck here on the Marley. So it requires a little bit of zhuzhing. I want to make sure that I have an even amount of the stripe coming through here. A little bit of zhuzhing. Okay, so I've got this nice lean line down here on my legs from the skirt, and then I've got this really flowy top that like has a lot of movement from the slits. So I'm gonna take my sash and, oh, let's do it backwards this time. Give myself a waist here. And for this one, I want to make it nice and wide. I want to make sure that the belt is wide so I really get to see that stripe. And I'm going to tie it in a double knot back here. It's really hard to tie knots behind your back while you're live. Talk about pressure. Okay, so how cute is this? So again, we've got a little bit of that print peeking through, a little bit here on the belt, and then we've got it coming through on the skirt at the bottom. But look how cute the sash is, the back. I love that the colors are all the same, but it just like breaks up that stripe a little bit and just gives you a little bit more visual interest. So that's the perfect tee. Okay, let's talk layering pieces. I want to show it with a Caroline. Oh, let me take the perfect off. And then I'm going to show it with a Jill. And then we're going to talk about different sizes. I'm going to show you two upsizes in the Marley and kind of what that looks like. So glad that you're doing, oh good. Sometimes you just like need to see what the pieces look like on a body. Like it looks cute on a hanger, but sometimes you just need to see it on a body. So I'm happy to be that body for you. All right, this is a Caroline. So this is a medium Caroline, so it's a little bit of a like more roomy fit for me. Again, you can wear it with or without the belt, but I like to use the belt over the layering piece because one, it kind of holds it down. So it's not like flying all over the place, but it keeps it like where you want it to be and then gives you that waist outside of the layering piece. And then you get that fun print coming through. They're like literally the sash. I just want to buy Marley's so that I have the sash. Like that's where I am in my life right now. I want the sash and I want the headpiece. So it looks great like this with a Shirley, a Sarah, whatever layering piece you want. Even a jean jacket would look awesome. Maybe not with the sash. You could do like the sash maybe around your wrist or around your neck or something with the jean jacket. Okay, let's talk about skirts. So this is a Jill. This is a medium Jill. And I'm going to throw it over my Marley and like turn the Marley into a top and have the rest of it kind of tucked in. All right, takes a little bit of zhuzhing. Okay. So the Marley, or the Jill is plenty long that you can't see any of the Marley underneath it. And where'd my sash go? Here it is. I'm going to use the sash on top of this wide elastic belt because it's fun. Okay, so I'm going to take it, I'm going to tie a knot, I'm going to turn it into a bow, and then I'm going to slide it behind me so that the bow is in the back. Again, guys, I never have the tails the same length. Does anybody else have that problem? Never. Okay, and then I'm going to slide it to the back. I know, this navy and white stripe is such a good one. It's a size small, and I haven't kept it for myself. I kept another one. The one I wore for date night, I kept for myself. Okay, so I'm taking the belt and I'm just making sure that it's fully open so that it covers that elastic band. And then I have a little bitty bow right here in the back. But how cute is that? So I've got this fun vertical stripe here. I've got a little horizontal stripe, vertical stripe, and then a fun like springy, colorful print at the bottom. And I think it's just a really fun way that you can add the skirts you already have into a new piece like the Marley. This would work really well with the Madison skirt or the Lola skirt as well because they have that elastic waistband. So I love that. All right, let's talk about upsizing. So size chart wise, and I didn't flip my camera, so forgive me. I'm wearing a small Marley. It fits size 6 to 8. Marley's very true to size. This is my best fit if I want to do all these creative things with it. However, she's a really good candidate for upsizing. So I'm going to show you a large and I believe an extra large, maybe it's a 2X. So I'm going to hop over here. I'm going to slide into a large. And then I'm going to show you what that looks like and how you can do kind of more like a boho look with it. It's a little bit more slouchy and really cute. Also, this print that I'm going to show you is unreal. So start getting all your size envy. It will be available very soon. Okay, so this is the large. So a large Marley is, the size chart is 14 to 16. So this is what the large looks like on me. I would still 100% rock this. I do have room here in the waist. It's not like the hole here isn't too aggressive, and it just gets a little bit longer here. Also, isn't this print amazing? Okay, so I'm going to tie at the waist here. And with that sash, you can really kind of play with oversizing because it pulls it back in where you want it to. And it's sitting here on my hips. I still have access to my pockets, and I would 100% wear this size as is. I think it's really cute, but I do just have a little bit more room, so don't be afraid of going up a size or two. So this is 2 sizes up from my size chart size, and it's really cute. Now I want to show you what it looks like with the Shirley. So this is a medium Shirley. So large Marley, medium Shirley. These are both up sizes for me. But I love the Shirley and the dress both have like stripe and floral going on through it. And they have that really nice pop of blue. So they were just dying to go together. So we're going to tie here. I feel like doing a bow this time. Oh, my tails match. That never happens. Okay, so again, the sash is going to keep the Carly in place. Get this tag out of the way here. And how cute is this? It's like super like boho, a little bit oversized, maybe like a chunky like wedge heel with this or a sandal. I love. Okay, so this is a large. This is 2 sizes up. The next one I am showing you is, hold on, let me check, is a 2X. Okay, so this is going to be 4 sizes up from my size chart size. And we're going to get real slouchy with this one. So this is a 2X Marley. And I'm going to show what it looks like with by itself and then with a Caroline. Okay, 2X Marley. So this one is very clearly oversized for me. There's a lot of extra going on here. Super big, right? Kind of like cozy pajamas. I'm feeling it. All right, so I'm going to blouse this one. So I want a really tight belt. So I'm going to actually double knot it and make sure it is tight where I want it, okay? And then I'm going to blouse this out. The reason you want the belt tight is so that it holds throughout the day and keeps your blousing kind of in check, okay? So I've like aggressively bloused this so that I have like a defined top and a defined bottom, okay? So this is a 2X Marley. This is 4 sizes up from my size chart size. And it's really cute bloused. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like with a Caroline over top. This is the large Caroline. So again, an upsize on the Caroline for me. I love the colors in this. Okay, so you want like a slouchy, relaxed layering piece to go with the slouchy, relaxed look of the Marley. But isn't this really cute? Like, it's cozy. I'm gonna go to brunch and then I'm gonna take a nap in it afterwards. Again, like some beigey sandals would be so cute. So this is a 2X Marley. It's 4 sizes up from what I would normally wear. And I would totally rock this. So if you were just joining, I showed several different ways to wear a small Marley, which is my size chart size, and then I showed you a size large on me and then a size 2X. So you can go back, watch the replay on this one of what they look like at different sizes on a body, and then how you can mix them in with pieces you already have. The Marley is 48. I have a lot of new Marleys coming in that already came in today. So we're going to do an 8 o'clock Central Standard Time live sale tonight with new Marleys. I have a whole rack full. So make sure you go back, watch the styling video so you get some ideas of what you can do with it. And then come back tonight at 8 and shop the new Marleys with me. Bye, guys.